10-minute fat-burning HIIT workout. Hey there, fitness enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an intense and effective workout for you, a 10-minute fat-burning HIIT workout. High-intensity interval training is fantastic for torching calories, boosting your metabolism, and getting your heart pumping. So, let's jump right into it. But before we start, let's make sure to warm up our bodies. Start by marching in place to get your heart rate up. Engage your core, roll your shoulders, and loosen up those muscles. Great job! Now that you're warmed up, it's time to begin the HIIT workout. We'll be performing 5 exercises, each for 40 seconds, followed by a 20-second rest. Get ready to sweat it out. Exercise 1, Jumping Jacks. Let's start with some classic jumping jacks. Stand with your feet together, jump out, and bring your arms overhead. Remember to keep your abs tight and maintain a steady pace. Ready? Let's go! Great work! Take a quick 20-second breather to catch your breath. Exercise 2, High Knees. Now, get ready for high knees. Stand tall, and quickly alternate bringing your knees up towards your chest. Pump your arms and maintain a brisk pace. Ready? Let's do it! Amazing job! Take another 20-second break to recover. Exercise 3, Mountain Climbers. Next up, we have mountain climbers. Assume a plank position with your hands directly under your shoulders. Drive your knees towards your chest, alternating between legs. Keep your core engaged and maintain a steady rhythm. Ready? Let's rock those mountain climbers. Fantastic effort! Take a well-deserved 20-second break to prepare for the next exercise. Exercise 4, Squat Jumps. Now, get ready to work your lower body with squat jumps. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart, squat down, and explosively jump up, extending your arms overhead. Land softly and immediately go into the next squat. Remember to maintain proper form and keep breathing. Ready? Let's go for it! That was incredible! Catch your breath during the 20-second break and get ready for the final exercise. Exercise 5, Burpees. Last but not least, we have everyone's favorite burpees. Start from a standing position, drop down into a push-up position, perform a push-up, jump your feet back towards your hands, and explosively jump up with your hands reaching overhead. Repeat this sequence for the entire duration. Ready? Let's crush those burpees! Wow! You gave it your all. Now, take a moment to catch your breath and celebrate completing the workout. Now that our heart rates are up, it's important to cool down and stretch our muscles. Slowly march in place to bring your heart rate down. Then, proceed with gentle stretches for your legs, arms, and back. Remember to listen to your body and stretch at your own comfort level. Congratulations! You've completed our 10-minute fat-burning HIIT workout. By incorporating these exercises into your routine regularly, you'll boost your metabolism, burn calories, and achieve your weight loss goals. Make sure to stay hydrated and nourish your body with healthy foods. If you enjoyed this workout, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more fitness videos like this. Remember, consistency is key to reaching your fitness goals. Thanks for joining us today. Stay motivated, stay active, and we'll see you in the next video. Keep up the great work.